I'm Perry Fraser. I'm here to show you some of the stages of the construction here at Marz Homes. We're here at Smithville Station and we have construction at various stages. We are building single-family homes and townhomes. After the site is serviced and we get on site and start construction, first stages for us would be excavation, which we have an open excavation here, and we've started footings. So at the footing stage here, to explain what the footings are, it's part of the foundation, which the foundation walls sit on and help support the foundation. This is an example of the open footing for townhouses here, with blankets being put down to keep the frost from getting underneath it overnight when it gets cold. The next step is what we have behind us here is the foundation that's been poured and it's now been wrapped with the weeping tile put in. If the foundation does, by any chance, crack, it stops the leak from penetrating to the inside. It allows the leak to run down to the weeping tile and put away from the house. So at this stage here, the foundation is now ready to be backfilled and then framing can start. So now you can see we've made a lot of progress here. We're at the framing stage, multiple levels. We have roofs going on both sides, some houses ready for the roof. These houses should be finished within the next couple days for framing. Once the foundation is on and the framers start, you can see from the pictures here, we put the floor on first. We start with the walls, the first floor layout. Second floor goes on, second floor walls, and the trusses have been delivered. We lift them up, stand them up, start assembling the roof design for it. Once the framers finish putting the roof on, the shingles are then installed on the roof, the windows are installed, and the porch then gets poured for concrete, and the exterior is ready for the bricklayers to start. Once the house is finished framing and the shingles are on and everything's closed off on the inside, the house is then prepped for the rest of the mechanical to come through, so the heating, the plumbing, and the electrical. And at that point, the framer will come back in to finish off boxes or any back framing, stuff like that. And it's ready for insulation and drywall and so forth from there. And then once drywall is finished, there's still many more trades that have to come in, everybody from flooring to kitchen cabinets to countertops to everything right down to landscaping right near the end. They come in and make everything on the outside beautiful. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of how many steps and how many trades and people it takes to build your beautiful Marz home.